What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. Today, on a Dex activity na Dekogimiya was on his private event from Daiken. On Instagram post, Mami Mikao posted on Instagram his handsome photos and a short video clip and captioned it, "My son na Dek with Daikin Foka at Champaragon Grand Opening." Nadek Binia was really back to work after the holiday season. Yesterday, his girlfriend Rosette Spearband in Mamipla was finally arrived in Thailand after they celebrated Christmas and New Year with their family in Oslo, Norway. Mamimipla captioned it, "Going home, we'd come back to lose weight weekly. I ate too much." Recently, Mami Pla in Urasaya was really have a good time eating outside and playing as they miss so much their family. Mami May Pla can't hide her happiness as she uploaded her photos and update when they got home. As of now, Urasaya is now resting, preparing for her work this year of 2024.